And hi again, ladies and gents. I did make a video on some of these problems, but some of the binomial ones seem to be causing some confusion. So there's a binomial here, here, and there's a few throughout this. Let's see. Just to scroll down a little bit. Here's another binomial here. On the back side, yeah, there's a binomial here. So a couple of these, let's just go through to show you what I'm looking for. So a lot of these are in disguise. And I say that because there's usually a GCF or something else in here. Like number one, there is a GCF of a V. So if I can take out that V and leave with V plus 8, right? So I do that. Wow, that's a really bad 8. Pardon my 8, but you get the idea. And you factor that out, and you can set these all equal to each other. I think that's supposed to be a 0. But set these out, and then you can do V equals 0, which is one solution, which could be this one or this one. And if V plus 8, remember you can subtract 8 from both sides. Let's subtract 8. And if you do that, you're going to get V equals negative 8. That's your other answer. So negative 8 comma 0 will be that solution. Wow, I got to work on my circles. All right, so that's the first part. But if I pick another one, let's see. How about one on the back here? Yeah, something like number 19. All right, so in here, again, you're looking for a GCF. They both have a K in common, which I noticed first, but they also have a 3 in common. So if I can take out a 3K, I'm going to take that out first. What's left behind from this would be a 5K. Try and do this kind of neat for you. 5K left inside there, and here would be a plus 4. Now no K because we already took the K out. So you're left with a 5K plus 4. And remember now, this is all equal to 0. Be better 0. Okay, kind of. So then you can just set 3K equal to 0. Takes a lot to type this. Let me try that again. That's a better 0. There we go. And then solve that. You're going to divide by 3. That's pretty bad. 3. Divide this by 3. And then you're going to get K equals 0. So there's the first one. So one of these zeros is going to work. But also do 5K plus 4. Make that equal to 0. So if I do 5K plus 4 equal to 0, you're going to solve this and find out the other solution, which this takes a little bit to write. Oh, my zeros just don't want to work. But I can subtract 4, right? So just to make this a little quicker. So now you get 5K equals negative 4. Equals negative 4. And then, let me scroll down here. You can divide by 5. And hey, there's your other solution. So negative 4/5, there we go. And this is also going to give you that 0. So negative 4/5, let's say comma, 0. Those are your two solutions. So negative 4/5 and 0 is, boom, option D. All right, so that's what I'm looking for with the binomial ones. The other problems, remember, they could be the original factoring or they could be the M factoring, but you have to look for a GCF. So just for number 20, since I'm here, if you were to look at that one, let me just move this a little bit. Okay, so if I look at this one, there is no GCF, so 3 doesn't go into 16, so no GCF. So remember, you'll multiply the ends together, and then you get, what's that, 48? So you need factors of 48, they're going to give you 16, then you do factor by grouping. All right, so just a little reminder on that. So check that out, and hopefully that helps. Thanks, bye.